people, and then we create teams. So about 4 years ago, I started working with the CEO of Pepsi, not CEO of Pepsi, CEO of Frito-Lay, which is a division of Pepsi. And the CEO had 50,000 employees under him. There's no way he can know all 50,000 people. There's no way he can actually even have an idea of what these 55,000 people are doing. So what did we do? We created under the CEO a group of 12 people. We identified their strengths. This is the CEO's team. And then the CEO's team, each person had 5 people that he created under him. And then those people created 5 people. And we took this leadership model and this management model all the way through to the 50,000 people. Okay, so now you have 50,000 people who are emotionally bonded, that work with each other in small groups, that share the collective vision, that ask the right questions, and that really emotionally care for each other. And we went through a process at Frito-Lay of transformation, changing the food, changing the practices, incorporating green energy, green transportation, lots of things that I can't even go into, but reinvented the company. It involved a death and a resurrection with a new leadership style based on what I've told you so far. So E stands for emotional bonding and complementing strengths. A stands for awareness. Awareness is again, what am I observing? What am I feeling? What is the need of the moment? And what's the best way to fulfill that need? So, awareness. What is society wanting right now? Recently I've taken this course and refined it a little bit, and we call it Just Capital, Just Capitalism and Cause-Driven Marketing. So I just taught this course 2 weeks ago at Columbia Business School, and we had 55 MBA students, and we taught them the principles. What is Just Capital? Just Capital is that we are using capitalism to create a more peaceful, just, sustainable, healthy environment. And your business is part of that. Okay, so it offers social and economic justice. And what is cause-driven marketing? It is marketing that also is linked to a bigger cause than the business itself. So anyway, we went through 5 days of training. And in the end of the course, the last day of the course, we divided the students, 55 students, into groups of 5. So we had 11 teams.